Hello guys, Track Attack here. Thank you for joining me on another video. Today I get to show you another slingshot, which I'm very excited about. This one is from Slingshot and is the latest one they put out. I think it's gorgeous, and I think you know which one it is. Yes, it is the Scout X G10. It has a beautiful design, and I just can't say enough of it. So stay tuned, and I'm about to show you. All right, guys, here we go. I got this the other day, and I just didn't have time to open it. But we are going to open it today. So I wanted to show you guys this beautiful slingshot. So let's unbox this. And I heard a lot of good things about the slingshot, and I just had to have it. Anytime Slingshot puts out a new slingshot, I always try to get it if I can, and this is actually one of them. So let's see what they ship me. All right, take a good look at this. Well, it comes in a little nice bag. Let's open it and see. Oh wow, this one, it is gorgeous. It also comes with some ammo. You have some clay and 9.5 ammo. So here it is. Let's get this out of here. And they also give you some bands, which I really don't use this kind of bands or anything. So let's take a good look at this slingshot. It is nice. It's great. I like the logo over here, and it's got a really nice pattern, and it's got a nice weight to it. But it is exactly the same as the other ones. It's just the design, but I believe it's worth it. And let's see, let's compare it with the other ones that I have. Okay, so this one is the Scout X, the Pro Series. And they are identical except for the logo and the design. It's got a really nice feel to it. It's not slippery or anything, but everything, it's exactly the same. I can say this one is a little bit heavier, and of course different material. So let's go ahead and take a couple of shots with this, which I know is going to be exactly the same as this one, but I had to have it. It's one of a new Slingshot slingshots they put out, and I gotta put it in my collection. So there we have it. Stay tuned for some shots I'm gonna do for you guys. Okay, beautiful slingshot. I recommend you getting one. All right. All right, guys, I'm using Jimpo 0.5, and we're gonna see if we can hit this this card I got over there. Just a playing card. I have it at 25 steps, using 8mm ammo. I'm not gonna be doing anything crazy today, no sharpshooting or anything like that, so something easy, since I already kind of gave a review on the Scout X. However, this one, it's beautiful. It's got a really nice look to it. It is exactly the same, exactly, nothing different. So if you're looking for a different style of the Scout X, this will be it. Other than that, it's all the same. So let's see if we can hit that card from 25 steps in here. Here we go. There you have it. Super easy. Let's go look at the damage. Hit the Joker right there. Beautiful shot. Now let's try something a little bit harder. Let's hit another playing card. But this time, we can hit the edge. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's see if we can make the shot. Let's hit the edge if we can. I got this because it's kind of windy, so it might fly away. So let's give it a shot at 20 steps. Let's see what kind of damage we did. Let's move this camera over here. And there it is. So you guys can see. Right there. Barely hit it though, but I did hit it. Oops. Let me get that out of the way. The string. There you have it, guys. Beautiful shot. All right. All right, guys. So what can I say about the Scout X G10? It's a beautiful slingshot. However, it is exactly the same as the other ones. Same dimensions and everything. The only difference on this is the material and the design. And it's a beautiful design. So between this and the Scout X Pro Series, I would much rather go with this one. Why? Because I just love the design, the color, and I like this one right here. And so that's it, really. Oh, by the way, it also has some springs in these screws. So, and that helps a lot whenever you put in your bands. I like that. So, but other than that, it is exactly the same. So guys, thank you for tuning in and allowing me to show you another beautiful slingshot from Slingshot. Get you one if you can. Truck Attack out. Thank you for watching.